just running into Dollar Tree super quick, and I thought I'd get a few clips of what's in here. There are still some random things. This store is fully stocked with ornaments. Well, I wouldn't say every ornament, but you've been through the ornament aisle a few times with me. These are new, or they're leftovers, and I'm going to grab them. Oh my goodness. I've been searching for this box every time I come in, and here it is sitting right at the front for me. I wonder if there's large, are there large ones as well? Oh, this one's cute too. Even has a display. A plaid. I'm going to take a peek here and see if there's, I don't know if I should get the small wireframe tree. But anyways, I just wanted to see their ornaments before I actually decide to pass up, because I think the next time I come in, like, these will be all gone. I have a ton of Christmas cards and box Christmas cards, and I make little Christmas cards, so I don't typically go through here, but some of you were requesting to see the Christmas cards and some Christmas bags, so I'll see what I can do here for you guys. But aren't there some beautiful cards? I have purchased cards before in the past just because of their little decals. Like on the front, they'll have really cute layers, and you can peel them away, and then I'll use them for paper crafting. Oh, I love this one. Something like this has a little wreath. If you're looking for the kitchen sets, like the little tea towels and things like that, they could be found on an end cap, such as this one here. So like something like this with the little red truck, I know some of you were looking for it. So this store still has a ton of little gift boxes like this. Well, they're not very little, but you know what I mean? And they'll probably put out front as soon as some of the other stuff is cleared out. I'm just going to go down the toy aisle because I know that they've been putting out some really fun things, and this is the time of year for stocking stuffers. Even the stuffies are fully loaded, and the Legos are pretty cleared out this time of year, so just their own building block brand. Oh look, this is something new. The zombie line. But yeah, they have like some brand name things that you'll find. Oh, here's some Lego little kits. Building kits. There's different themes. This is cute. Check out these little stuffed animals. Aren't they similar to the Beanie Boos that I have spent so much money on for my daughter? And here they are, some similar ones. And they don't have the big googly eye thing, but they're pretty similar looking in style, aren't they? Oh wow, Polly Pocket. What are they? I'm not sure exactly. Is there a little Polly Pocket? No, it looks like something else in here. I don't know. It would be cool if it was actually a Polly Pocket. Costumes and cute little things like that are great for kids for Christmas gifts as well, not just Halloween, because kids love dressing up. I remember mine when they were little. They just love to dress up. They have card games. This time of year, like, you'll find all these wonderful Go Fish and War and all different types of little family card games. I don't know what this Uno one exactly is, but I did buy one. And puzzles. I know we're spending a lot more time at home these days, so something like this could keep you busy with your little one at the table, along with crafts, of course, but there's also these little puzzles and card games. Look at this. This is even cool for a grown-up. Oh, these are new packages. I've never seen these. They're like a building block dough type package. Maybe you have to mold them. So I came back to these because I keep thinking, should I get different ones? Because there's the dinosaur, there's the unicorn, or the horsey. They have a ton of crafting supplies, the clear vases, all of the things that you need, and even so much yarn. I'm just going to get a better shot here for you guys. Look at all the different colored yarn. It's fully stocked. And all the tools for it as well. I always like stopping and looking at their storage because there's something that comes out kind of new and stands out to me. I'm currently using one of their little caddies as my wrapping kit, and I'll put a picture at the end of the videos just to give you an idea. Oh, these are new. They look like little Christmas toys, don't they? With the buffalo plaid and they're squeaky too. They're cute. It looks like a lot of, oh, here, there's some, the little shoes that you guys are using for making gnome feet or gnome boots. These are perfect if you want to wrap them in some fabric. I make a few Christmas baskets at Christmas or within the next couple of weeks, and I love to use bowls. So look at these big silver bowls up top. Those are the ones I'm currently using. There's some Barbie supplies here for birthday decorating, and they always have like new prints, but look at these. That's pretty awesome. They're well made too. And then they have like, you know, your standard yearly decor, but then every once in a while they'll come out with some really great product lines. Like the Barbie is pretty awesome. Looks like all the other stuff is sold out though. I was resisting kind of hanging out in the Christmas aisle, but I thought, no, you know what, I'm gonna do one quick little loop through here and see if there's anything that I need before it all sells out. These are really cute, aren't they? But and these are cute too. If you have like a little hot chocolate, like a cocoa bar or something like that. I love these little scarves, the Santa scarves. I have one myself. I love it. Lots of containers still hanging around. They actually have a lot of Christmas things. I thought this would all be sold. I'm really actually impressed. They keep stocking. The store has been so awesome. Okay, I'm going to go through some of the bags for you guys because I know you guys wanted to see this, although I do apologize because the window's the back frame. And of course, I have to come down the craft aisle just to make sure I'm not missing anything, right? Do you have a favorite aisle? What aisle do you have to visit when you come into Dollar Tree? I usually beeline it. Oh, I think these are, no, there's a wood glue that's new. This one here is new. Do you beeline it for any specific aisle? Normally, now I've been really good and I start off with seasonal, but I used to always beeline it straight to the craft aisle. Now I think I own everything in this freaking aisle. So the only thing that's really sold out mostly is the acrylic paints. Like there's no white paint to be found anywhere. This is another area I often forget to really thoroughly check, but look, there's usually something. No, I think I've seen these before. There's one little house left. Oh my gosh, I paid so much money for one of these years ago. Oh, see, these are new, and aren't they beautiful? Look at the detail on them. They're just so pretty. Okay, I'm trying to remember all my makeup lovers out there. I know you guys ask me to come down this aisle all the time. So here are some new things added to the e.l.f. line. They do keep putting out more and more e.l.f. products. So we have been really lucky at all our Dollar Trees to have a nice amount to select from. But look at this. And that's it. I was looking for the LA's Totally Awesome, but I don't think they have any today. I'll just say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed walking around Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy walking through Dollar Tree and seeing all the fun things that I do purchase at Dollar Tree with you guys. Just wanted to let you know that I have posted some cleaning videos to the channel, decorating videos. A lot of the things that I use around the house are from Dollar Tree as well on my Christmas tree, so hopefully you find some inspiration. And then until next time everyone, if you'd like to see any of those videos, just check out my main channel page. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching.
Are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.